Math used in archery. Archery, a sport of focus and precision, incorporates mathematics in every aspect, from aiming to equipment design. Let's explore the role of math in archery. Archery uses math in aiming and trajectory. Calculating the bowstring's tension and the arrow's trajectory involves geometry and physics, ensuring it hits the target accurately. Wind and gravity calculations. Wind resistance and gravitational pull affect the arrow's path. Archers use mathematical models to adjust their aim accordingly. Target design and scoring. The circular target involves geometric principles, with concentric rings representing specific scores. Scoring relies on precise measurement of the arrow's position. Equipment optimization. The design of bows and arrows involves mathematical calculations to balance weight, tension, and flexibility, maximizing accuracy and durability. Distance and angle measurement. Calculating the distance to the target and the angle of elevation involves trigonometry, helping archers refine their technique. Mathematical principles applied, geometry for aiming and target design. Physics for wind and gravity adjustments. Trigonometry for distance and angle calculations. Math transforms archery into a discipline of precision and strategy, highlighting its blend of skill and science.